Oh! Josh, so how long you been liking basketball?
Ever since I was born.
Really?
Yeah.
So when you hit your first basket, how was that?
It was cool.
It was cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you know many basketball players?
Yeah. Like most of them.
Like Jordan.
Yeah.
Who else? Who's your favorite right now?
LeBron.
LeBron. Do you know any women basketball players?
Yeah, I know a few.
You know a few?
Yeah.
So, have you ever heard of Sheryl Swoops?
Yeah, I heard a little bit.
What you know about her?
That she was the first female to sign a Nike deal. And
She have on shoe?
yeah.
Cool.
And she was the first selected woman to play in the WNBA.
They didn't draft her.
No.
They chose her.
Yeah.
Cool. So, do you know how many championships? That's it. Huh? You know how many gold medals she won in the Olympics?
I think 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm surprised that I'm not surprised that you know a little bit about Sheryl Swoops. Seems like this generation don't know that this woman was an amazing athlete. You know, not just because she was a woman, but she's an amazing athlete. I used to watch her and I thought she was amazing, but she came to my channel one day and I'm looking at her. I'm like, this face looks so familiar. So I had to go digging, y'all. And what I found, I had a champion on my channel. A woman who was raised by a single mom in a little small town in Texas, with a big dream. Now, some kids cannot see their dream unless they see their dreams. But she didn't even see another woman where she was. All she saw was this. And it took her from that little town to so many places. And now she's back home. She's back home. And now she's venturing off into another journey. She's venturing off into another journey. And that is gardening. From basketball to gardening. Listen, this woman is fierce. She believes in winning. So, guys, she is in this competition called One Seed Challenge. Y'all better strap tight, because Sheryl Swoops is coming. You heard me? She's coming and she's not playing. This girl loves to win. She know how to win. Y'all check out Back to Our Roots with Miss Sheryl Swoops and her husband, who is behind the camera, but he's always involved, and I love it. Swoops, Sheryl Swoops. Oh!